Hello my friends, welcome back to my estate video. In today's video, I want to show you how to make withdrawal once more because I know that some new members that recently joined estate, they are looking for withdrawal video. So I am going to use this video to show you exactly how to make your withdrawal. Although I have done several withdrawal videos as well, but I just thought I should do a fresh one to let you guys see how to withdraw. So first of all, what you need to do is to log in into your estate account. On your estate account, you go to buyer. When you go to buyer, you go to e-wallet. When you are on e-wallet, you will see the e-wallet management at the bottom right here. You will see deposit and you see withdrawal. So select withdrawal. Before this time, you should have added your withdrawal address. Okay, so because I have done that, and I have also done a video showing you how to add your withdrawal address. So very quickly, I am going to withdraw to my USDT TRC20. Okay, so and I'm going to do 4,200 there, right? So 4,200, they will take 1% of that, will be $42. Okay, and then I'm going to enter my pin there. So please bear with me. Let me enter my pin and we'll continue. And then after entering your pin, just click confirm. And then the money is gone. You can see where it says withdrawal request has been successfully sent and will be processed shortly. So usually it takes less than 10 minutes to get processed. Okay, so this is great for you guys that are in estate to know how to withdraw as well. Okay, once you have done the withdrawal in your back office here, please make sure to go to your email to check, because they usually send you email once the money has been credited to your personal wallet. So I am going to dive to my email now. Okay, and I am going to refresh, and then there you go. You can see that the money is already in my wallet. Okay, so withdrawal confirmation, funds successfully sent from your e-wallet account. Money has been processed, and you can see where it says your withdrawal from estate has been processed, and you will see the amount there as well. Okay, so you will see the amount and you will see the wallet address that the money has gone into. So yes, you can see that it did not take more than 5 minutes for your withdrawal to get processed in estate. So guys, if you are still sitting on the fence and you have not made up your mind to join this platform, the link to do so is below this video description, because I know that after watching this video you will get interested and will like to, of course, begin to make money just like every other person in estate, purchasing fractional real estate and earning money from there. Right, so this is a great platform if you are looking for something that is long term, something that is going to last for a very long time, and you are looking for that passive side of a platform. Estate has everything that you are looking for. I can't complain. I can't go anywhere else because everything I needed in estate, I am getting it. Right, deposit is flawless. Withdrawal, of course, you can see right here in front of you how long it took. Less than 2 minutes they've processed the withdrawal. Right, so no complaint, no hassle at all if you are looking for a platform that is reliable and consistent and that you can be in that platform for a long time. That is what we are all looking for. We are not looking for a platform that is going to disappear tomorrow, okay, after you have deposited money. Estate is not like that, and what estate is doing is completely different from every other platform that we have been involved in. So I highly recommend that you join estate if you have not done so. Okay, the link to join is below this video description. I have told you already that there is a video I have made showing you how to register and how to do your KYC. And then, of course, after completing your KYC, you will be able to deposit and purchase a fraction of your property that will not allow you to earn on a daily basis, and you will also be able to withdraw on a daily basis. So I look forward to seeing you guys soon, and God bless. Thank you.